Welcome back viewers. In this video, I will be teaching you the on-premises site recovery strategy when you are using the Azure virtual machines. So in Azure virtual machine, you will have a facility that you can enable the site recovery for your on-premises machines, right? Suppose you have a set of on-premises machines and you want to basically manage the failover. Suppose there is some disaster happened to your on-premises and you want to manage it. You want to immediately recover it and also make sure your clients are still getting access to your application. So basically you are going to failover to your Azure cloud machines, right? Virtual machines. So before you do all of that, first let's understand how your on-premises virtual machines setup should look like. So in your on-premises virtual machine, in the left hand side of my diagram, you can see that you have a public IP address and then you have a set of virtual machines. For the simplicity, I have just drawn the one virtual machine here, correct? But imagine that you have a lot of virtual machines on premises and you have set of database, right? So on-premises virtual machines are connecting to your database so that they save the data, and basically you have a disk that is connected to all of the data of your on-premises. Now you must set up a replication strategy, okay, to the Azure cloud virtual machines. So you can see there is a copy strategy going on. Basically it is a replication that happens through the agents that you install in your on-premises. For Azure cloud replication happens, and what will happen is the entire disk will be replicated here, and then it will set up the same kind of network in the Azure. Like it will have your virtual machine in Azure, it will have your database set up in Azure, and then Azure will get set ready every time your replication is going on. Maybe your machines are turned off and just the replication disks are replicated when your site is up and running in the on-premise. So this is how you set up your replication strategy when you are basically healthy and your on-premises site is up and running. So let's see in the next video, I will explain you how you can save your on-premises machines whenever there is a disaster happen, how Azure cloud will help you. Okay, basically here you saw that you created a replication strategy so that your entire data of your machine, of your database, goes as a disk copy to the Azure, right? We have done that so that in future any disaster happen, we can always fail over to the Azure, right? And imagine that in the Azure also you have all this setup purchase, like you have the virtual machine, you have purchased databases, and public IP address setup is all set up. So I will teach you all the details how to set up the cloud virtual machine and what are the steps required before you fail over to them in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned and see you in my next video. Thank you.